If you're looking to upgrade your 5th Gen 4Runner taillights, check this out. So Form Lighting is a sister company of Dye Dynamics, and if you know me, I like Dye Dynamics. But Form Lighting focuses in taillights, headlights, and accent lights. So their taillights comes in 2 colors, smoked and red. I got right here is red. Ooh. Two out. I like how the red looks. Oh yes. Look at that red. So the smoke one, this is smoked. Mine red, I think it would look great in white. Okay, let's stop talking and start installing. Using a Phillips screwdriver, I'm going to take this part out. Get a 10 mil. Deep socket is better. Extension and ratchet. Why deep socket? Because of the 2 screws that we're gonna get. This one and that one. That's a long bolt right there. Let's not forget to unhook the electrical, of course. 1 and 2. Now we need to pull the headlight towards us this way. There we go. So this is the one. That's why we need to pull it that way. We got our 4 taillights. Oh yeah. So there's the 2 bolts that we're gonna put the screw back. Just make sure that we wire this. Like it's gonna meet the top hole. And push. Put those 2 screws back. Now the wiring. This is the OEM harness. That's in the truck. That's in the 4Runner. This white piece. Then connect this gray to this gray. Really plug and play. Put the cover back. Oh yeah. So let's go take a look at the features. So we saw that startup sequence, which is pretty awesome, and the sequential turn signals. If you just want to get this taillights without them, you can actually turn it off, which is pretty cool too. if you're not a big fan of those, but you just want to keep your 4Runner taillights to be modern. So there's the plug. This black piece, you want to disconnect it if you don't want the sequential and the startup sequence. So you just unhook it like so. There's a tab. Boom. That's it. Disconnected. Got a reverse light up top, which I think is pretty bright. There's 3 bars. If you turn, this lights up yellow, but if you brake, that turns to red. And the running light, as you can see. So there's the red one. Of course, the actual brake lights and the running light is red, but let me turn it off real quick. So it's more of like a dark red. I don't know if you actually see it in the camera, but the 2 colors is, this is red and the other one is smoked. So it's more of like a grayish color. I chose red because I think it looks better with my white 4Runner. Let's turn it on again. Let's see that startup sequence. Oh yeah. So why upgrade taillights on your 5th gen 4Runner? Number 1, to modernize it. So if you look at my old taillights, it is reflector. There's nothing wrong with it. It works, but this is cooler, of course. Lastly, safety. I know if you have an OEM taillight, you can actually swap the halogen lights to an LED. That's not a problem too. Of course, you want your taillights to be bright. If the people behind you, you want to show them that you're braking or you're turning. And that's where you need to consider looking at which aftermarket taillight you're getting. So some of the aftermarket taillights out there is their turn signals are not as bright, not as big. Sometimes even just a line, and even at daytime, some people are saying they have a hard time seeing the turn signals. One thing too is the reverse light. Some reverse lights, they look bright, but again, it's just sometimes it's just a strip of light. It's not really lighting up the back of your 4Runner when you're reversing. So those are the features that I think you need to look at if you're modernizing or looking at taillights for your 4Runner. That's where form lighting comes in. I think it checks all of the boxes from that reverse light, like I said, the turn signal, and a star sequence, of course. It's pretty cool. That's a bonus for me. Future Aldrin here. So I was editing this video and I forgot one point. So this form lighting taillight, it is compatible with all 5th gen 4Runners. So I do have an OG 2013. So between 2010 2013, some aftermarket taillights, they don't even put that in their listing. They don't even promote it that it's compatible with that years. You would see the 14 and plus line on most of them. Not all of them, most of them. Because if you don't know, if you have an OG 10 to 13, usually us, we have a really old school taillight, and if we want to upgrade to the 14 and plus OEM taillights, we need a special harness. May or may not need a special harness. And for the form lighting, it is 100% you don't need special harnesses. Now, like in other aftermarket taillights, you may or may not need that special harness, which is, again, that's another step if you're not unsure of. This one, it's sure to fit between all 5th gen 4Runners. Back to the video. One thing too is, if you don't know, form lighting is basically like a sister company under Dynamics, so quality is there. Quality is not compromised. So if you're considering modernizing and getting taillights for your 5th gen 4Runner, put form lighting in that list. And if you want to get one, link will be in the description below. If this video has given you some sort of value, hit that like button. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Paalam.